Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index. So guys, I'm back with another strategy today. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, today I'm going to explain details on how you can trade on boom 300 5-minute time frames using this same strategy. As you can see now, let me show you the result of the strategy. You see we have made $33.76 with this strategy on crash 500, but now I'm releasing a video on boom 300 5-minute time frame. So I'm going to show you some key points that you need to understand. So before the settings, let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you can also set it up on your phone. So we have just only two indicators that we are going to be setting. The first one that we are going to be setting up is our stochastic oscillator. We have our oscillator here, which is our K period to be 1, our D period to be 1, we have our slowing to be 1, we have our price feed to be low high, and we have our method to be what? To be simple, and we have our style to be in color of our background. So if you are using black, make sure you put black as the color here. And we have our level, different level. We have our level for 15, we have our 85 level, and we have our 50, which is our take profit, 1. And you can decide to wait till you reach your take profit 2, and that's exactly what you need to set up on stochastic. And also you press done, then you move to your commodity channel index, where we have our period to be 200, we have applied to typical price, we have our style to be in blue color, and we have this permanent 2 level. They are always permanent, so if they are not there when you are setting up it, make sure you set it up, because it helps you to identify your take profit level, and it also helps you to understand the trend of the market. Then you press done. So by doing this, you will have the same chart the way I have it here on my chart. You see, the best thing for you to trade boom and crash is to understand the trend of this market. To understand this trend of this market, you need to understand that anytime we have these two important level, which is the 85 level and we have the 15 level. So anytime we have our commodity channel index, which is the blue moving average that you are seeing here, when it move above 85 level, like what you are seeing at this level, so this particular area now will always be your rejection zone, at this area. So you are looking for a best entry to enter your trade for a downtrend entry. You see now we have two confirmation at this level, whereby the markets come on a reverse level and come reverse little bit before giving us a downtrend. So like this particular trade now, we know that this market, it has given us a full confirmation that this market is going to be coming on a downtrend according to this strategy. So guys, let me show you more example of what you need to understand. You see there's another one here, and when you have your commodity channel index that is moving towards the 15 level, you see like what you have at this area, you will always find your entry around this area. So it's now left to you for you to identify the right place for you to enter your buy level. You see what happened here. So you can use this strategy to catch up a spike for long period of time. You see what happened here. You see the spike keep on continuing until you have your full profit in the market. You see that. So and also we have another entry here. You see it move above the 85 level, and even in support of positive ordering, it did give it a full confirmation about how the market is going to move. You see the direction of the market, it just keep on reverse until you have your sell entry confirmed fully. You see what happened there. So that's how the market keep on ranging between this level 85 and level 15. You see anytime you have your confirmation and you still have your your positive ordering at that same level, you need to what you need to enter your trade harder, so that you can make more profits on that. And also, you see, when you have your full confirmation on your 15 level, don't forget that you are only entering for what? For spike entry. So that's exactly how this strategy really works. And one, it helps you to what? To understand the trend of the market, because at this particular level, which is the 85 level, we always find those entries so weak, and it ought always be a rejection zone for another entry to begin. Like what you are seeing at this area, you see, it always be a weak area for what? For a new beginning entry to what? To start, and it keep on moving on a on a down trend. That's exactly how it works. You see, we have another confirmation at this area. You see, this is a buy entry zone, and you can keep on catching up your spike every time. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you anytime we drop another powerful strategy like this. You see, we have another reverse at this level, so it's going to it's going to be moving on histogram like this until we have our full confirmation that give us a great entry. We've already have a confirmation at this level, which has indicates to us, and it has already reached our take profit 1, and we are already out of the market at this level. So guys, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy. And also, don't forget to always make sure you manage your risk. Practice more on your demo account before using real account. Thanks.